I thought I would try something a little different for my latest update on my VARify Bot project. So the VARify Bot project is pretty much complete in terms of a 1.0, so I'm just going to walk you through the features. So when you start the conversation with the bot, it will do a check to see if you have set your favourite team. If you've not set your favourite team, it will give you the opportunity to set that. So let's go ahead and do that just now. So it will now create a record in a Dataverse table that sets my favourite team as Barcelona for the user account that I'm currently logged in as. I can now query the bot and ask it for information. So what can you tell me about them? And this queries an API which I've imported into Power Platform as a custom connector, and it gives me information on my favourite team. And you can see I didn't have to specify what team I was asking for information about. It knew from the context of the previous conversation that I wanted information about Barcelona. And I can now ask things like, what was their last result? Again, this queries the API via the custom connector to get the last result of Barcelona. Now, you'll probably notice that the information it's given back isn't actually correct because the last result was not on May 16th, 2024. This is just due to a limitation of the free tier of the API, which I'm currently using, which doesn't get access to the current season's fixtures or results. So if I was to pay for access to the API, I would get access to this season's fixtures and also additional parameters like next match. But because I'm not paying for it, I don't get access to those things. So the bot is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's giving you the correct information for the tier of API that I'm on. So yeah, that's just demonstrating how it's working. And again, you could go on and ask it additional questions about the team, and it will query the API and bring back information from there. So that's just a short clip just to demonstrate how I've integrated third-party API via custom connector with a Copilot agent. Thanks.